Channel, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be cleaning slash decorating my bathroom. I was gonna say redecorating my bathroom, but my bathroom isn't really decorated, so I'm also going to be cleaning my bathroom because it's a mess. I'm not going to do a full overview because my cat's litter box is in here and it's currently like super dirty and messy. Like, I'll show it once I clean it, but it's not clean yet. So my mom, brother, and we went to Walmart the other day and we just got a couple of bathroom things. I have this is just a trash can with like a toilet bowl cleaner, and then these things that you put in your toilet. Also just got this 17-piece bed set, so here's everything. According to the box, it comes with a shower curtain, a soap dispenser, toothbrush holder, one soap dish, 12 roller hooks for the shower curtain, and one bath rug that is 17 by 24 inches. So here's what it looks like. So this is my bathroom. I wasn't trying to like pertain any specific aesthetic, so I kind of just let my mom choose whatever she picked out. I kind of just said yes to. Plan is to clean off my counter, this counter up here that my like phone is sitting on, and then this counter down here, like the sink counter. I'm also going to sweep. I'm going to clean out my bathtub and my toilet. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm also going to just organize my drawers and under my bathroom sink. So let's just get started into the video. So right now I'm gonna like turn the camera and show you guys what I'm dealing with. So here's my mirror, and here's the first counter, and then we have the bathroom counter, or like the sink counter. So here we have all of this junk, mostly hair products and some skincare products, and then on the actual sink we just have like soaps, this empty scrub thing that I was gonna use for something, my exfoliator thing, a glass that I keep. We have this lotion bottle that I literally put here because it's cute, a makeup cleanser that I haven't even touched yet, Q-tips, this old ass coffee thing, plug-in. I actually refilled the plug-in a couple days ago, so it was like almost empty. And then I also have this new shower liner for my new shower curtain. So that's what we're gonna start off with. So I'm gonna go get a trash bag, and then I'm also gonna find like an angle to put you guys on. Also, I just looked over here and I'm also gonna be attempting to like put on my new shower head. So we're gonna figure that out. I have a trash bag. It's kind of full, but the other day when I went to Walmart as well, I need to get a new lamp for my room. So that's what all the like trash in the bag is just stuff from my lamp. But let's get started. We're starting. Okay, also here's inside of my medicine cabinet. So it's like a lot of skincare, hair care, deodorants. Then we have moisturizers, pore strips. There's a lip liner right there, bar soap. Then this like little pouch that I got in Ipsy years ago that's just filled with a bunch of bobby pins. I have more miscellaneous items like an earring, tweezers, Carmex, an eyeliner back there, some twist ties. And then on the bottom shelf I just have a couple razors, an eyeliner pencil, mascara back there, a sharpener, some hair ties, a band-aid, some antibiotic and stuff like that. So if you wanted to see the inside of my medicine cabinet, so here is my like counter now, so it's much cleaner. Everything else up here is stuff that I use on a daily basis or that I just keep up here. Minus the peroxide, I need to put that away. But I'm going to remove everything off. I'm going to spray it down or wipe it down, and then I'm going to put everything that needs to be back up here. So. Okay, so these two belong in my room, so I'm gonna go put them there. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean my actual bathroom sink. So I'm gonna do the same thing, wipe it down, and then just remove stuff that's not supposed to be here and put the things that I want up here back up here. Okay, so I'm finished cleaning off the two counters, and I'm going to go downstairs and eat because I just came back with lunch, and when I'm done with that I'll come back. I'm either going to organize my drawers in my cabinet or clean the sink. So I'm also going to come back upstairs with the broom, so see you in a couple seconds. Okay guys, so I've been back from eating for a little while now, maybe like 15-30 minutes, and I've cleaned my sink. I cleaned it again because I still felt a little dirty, so I cleaned it one more time. I swept my floor. I'm going to sweep it again once I change my cat's litter. I'm going to, that's her bell if you can hear that. I cleaned my toilet, and I also organized my drawers in the cabinet, like my sink cabinet. I didn't show that because I forgot that this was supposed to be a cleaning and decorating video, but I didn't want it to be majority cleaning or all cleaning, but I'm gonna like show you guys my drawers and stuff. So in this first cabinet just have like my hair stuff, so my scarf, my bonnet, my combs, my brushes, some headbands that I use when I wash my face or do my makeup. In this one I just have my shower cap, some wax strips, some Nair, face masks, and then my toner, and some more face washes. And then the bottom down here is kind of miscellaneous, so I just have like shampoo there, another shampoo and conditioner, body wash. This is my shampoo that I use for my hair since my hair is colored, and I have some scissors, and then another thing of toothpaste. And then in my like cabinet, I didn't show the cabinet because I forgot, I don't like getting back down. I just have pads, tampons, a box of hair dye for when I touch up my roots, my peroxide I put down there, and then some grocery bags that I'm going to use for my trash can, which I also like put out. I also use a toilet bowl brush because to clean my toilet. Okay, now we're coming to the bathtub. So here I just have 2 more body washes. I used that one, but I got that one yesterday. I wanted to try it last night, so I did, but it's not gonna fit in the drawer with my other like shampoos and body washes that I just showed. But I'm going to clean my bathtub. You can see there's like a lot of gunk, and my cat, she loves to jump in my bathtub. Sometimes she'll like use her litter box and then jump into the bathtub, and so like there is kitty litter in there as well. And then there's like some of my hair, there's also some of her fur. So I'm going to clean that, and then we can get to decorating and trying to change the shower head. So I will see you in the next clip. Okay guys, so it's later now. I've cleaned my bathtub and the shower, but I just thought because like with the way I was like wiping everything down, my fingers were kind of like this and they were starting to lock, and it's starting to hurt, and it still hurts. And also I didn't change my shower head because I need like a wrench, a special wrench or something to remove the current one and put on the new one. So I don't have that wrench, so I'll just have to wait. But now I'm just going to get to decorating. Take this shower curtain off and put on the new shower liner and the new shower curtain. Also, I thought I would do a little Apple Watch haul, and my mom ordered me some new bands. So it's just this baby pink one, this baby blue one, and this like burgundy plum one in the middle. I ordered these off of Amazon because I have the 38mm face, and I don't think Apple makes those anymore. So I don't think they sell like accessories for it anymore. So these are just sports bands. So comes the baby blue one. Like wine burgundy color-ish one, and then the baby pink one. Yep. So again, I've had this watch for like 1.5 years now, and I've had this same band on for 1.5 years. So about time to get some new ones, so thanks Mom. Back to our regularly scheduled home renovation program. Okay, so the curtain is up, and so now I have the soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder, the soap holder, and the rug. So I'm gonna put the rug down now. I've decided to put the rug down in front of my sink, so that way, like, whenever I use the bathroom in the morning, I hate stepping on the cold floor, so I'm gonna put it like in front of my sink, because my sink is the first thing that you like walk in front of when you come into my bathroom. I'm back in the shower. So this is a soap holder here. I don't use soap, like bars of soap, so I'll just leave it here for decorational purposes. Okay, so I put my hair back up because I'm freaking sweating. Like, I literally had to go all the way down to the garage to my mom's car to get a bag of kitty litter out the trunk, and I had to come all the way back upstairs, and I'm so hot, I'm so tired, and I just want to lay down. But now it's time for the big reveal. Not really, but I just want to say I freaking regret not doing it before. I didn't do it before because, like I said, my cat's litter box is dirty and like there was poop in it. I don't know, I think it would have been cool to like show a before clip and then go into the after clip, but now I'm gonna show you guys my bathroom and how it looks now. Okay, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully it wasn't too all over the place, but again, all I did was clean my bathroom and then decorate it with literally like a freaking $10, $15, $20 set that I got from Walmart. So it's cute, it's fun, it's welcoming. It definitely feels a lot better being in here. So yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on both my Instagrams, which are always down below, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.